It's Asante history time. Asantehene Kofi Kalkari, who ruled from 1867 to 1874, crafted this sword specifically for Queen Victoria, the Queen of England, when he first met the British. Nana Kalkari wanted the British to understand that he welcomed them in peace, if they did not interfere with the internal affairs of Asanteman, and any potential misunderstandings should be resolved through diplomacy. This is a replica of the original Akuma that is now in the British Museum. For all intents and purposes, the Akuma has a double meaning. Arkuma is the Twi word for an axe, and as the proverb goes, the axe can cut through any problem that is metaphorically represented by a knot. The leopard skin cover, really symbolizes that we are all humans, not animals, and as such, we are not to prey on but live peacefully with one another. On the other hand, if diplomacy fails, the axe will cut potential adversaries to pieces. This is not a sword, but an axe consisting of a gold leaf hilt, 2 pommels to aid handling, a smaller pommel towards the end, and a head of flattened metal. Apart from the gold-plated areas, the rest is covered with a leopard skin. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more videos.